Before you put your prosthesis on for the day, take a moment to inspect your limb for any signs of redness, soreness, or skin issues. Make sure your residual limb is clean and dry before donning your prosthetic device. Before you roll your silicone liner on your limb, be sure it is clean and dry. Reflect the liner inside out, paying close attention to create a flat surface at the end of the liner. Once it is flat, position the liner flat against the end of your residual limb and continue to roll it on slowly. Make sure there are no folds or wrinkles. If so, you may have to roll it on and off a few times until you get it just right. Before putting your limb into your pin lock prosthesis, make sure there are no socks covering the pin. This can jam the mechanism. Then if all is clear, step into the prosthesis, making sure the pin is clicked into the lock. When taking off your pin lock prosthesis, take a seat, press and hold the button, then slide your prosthesis off. Remove all your socks one by one and roll your liner off. When you take off your prosthesis for the day, take a moment to inspect your limb for any signs of soreness, redness, or skin issues. If you notice something that doesn't look quite right, you should probably set up a time to meet with your prosthetist for an adjustment.